Hello guys, good to see you again. Welcome back to Pacific Front channel where I talk and discuss military equipment and latest news on weapons programs, especially for Indonesian Armed Force. Today, we're going to talk about the ptdi N219 Nurtanio and who will be the perfect user for this airplane. Coming up. N219 Nurtanio is a new generation multipurpose aircraft, which is designed to carry 19 passengers with the largest cabin cross-section of its class. With two proven and efficient engines, advanced avionics systems, fixed tricycle landing gear, and wide cargo door to make it easier to change aircraft configuration. Designed to provide the advantages to the operators from technical and economic aspects. In addition to passenger transport configuration, N219 Nurtanio can also fulfill various mission requirements such as troop transport, medical evacuation, cargo transport, surveillance, and search and rescue. The first prototype with a registration number PKXDT flew on August 16, 2017, and the second prototype PKXDP flew on December 21, 2018. By the time I made this video, it already reached a total of 234 hours of flight tests before it can be certified at 300 hours. Really guys, when I saw its first flight video for the first time, I was crying from happiness. It can take off and land on unpaved runways and has a short takeoff and landing capability, with takeoff distance of 435 meters and landing distance of 509 meters respectively. From the video that I saw, it looks like all the avionics and the navigation systems is already fully digital, which is what a commercial jet normally has today, with one main big screen at the center and two smaller ones. Is it too much to ask for a head-up display to be added? N219 Nurtanio has a length of 16.49 meters, wingspan of 19.5 meters, and height of 6.18 meters. It has a maximum payload of 2,313 kg, maximum range of 828 nautical miles, or 1,533 kilometers, or 480 nautical miles, or 888 km with 19 passengers. It has a maximum speed of 390 km per hour and service ceiling at 10,000 feet or 3,048 meters. Powered by two Pratt & Whitney PT6A-42 with 850 shp each. It doesn't have a pressurized cabin though, so it can't fly any higher. According to Indonesian Aerospace Industries or PTDI, N219 Nurtanio has several configurations and purposes. Passenger transport, troop transport, cargo or logistic transport, medevac, search and rescue, also surveillance and patrol. With all those possible configurations in mind, let's characterize the perfect user for this aircraft. If you are a government official, private entities, or commercial airlines and looking for a small plane that can be operated in islands or in remote areas, this plane is perfect for you. Or you are crazy rich people who have a villa in exotic island, this aircraft can be suited to fit your demand. I heard that they plan to develop the seaplane version of N219 also, so you can dock it side by side with your yacht. Pretty cool, right? Has the same purpose to transport people, but is specifically built for military and law enforcement users. Perfect for small troop deployment to remote areas or islands with limited access and infrastructure. Perfect for resupply, package delivery, and logistic missions to remote areas or islands, or to transport perishable goods like fish, fruit, and vegetables from local communities in remote areas directly to big cities, which can result in economic growth for the locals. Perfect for military users, Ministry of Fishery, Post Office, cargo airlines, and more. Until the government can build the necessary healthcare infrastructure for communities in remote areas or small islands. N219 medevac can fill the gap, providing transportation to the nearest city with better healthcare. Perfect for the health department, hospital service, Basarnas, our National Search and Rescue Bureau, and BNPB, our National Disaster Relief Bureau. Having a vast territory with its unique geographical challenges, it might be difficult for a country like Indonesia to cover all of its territory with an expensive search and rescue platform. N219 SAR configuration will be perfect to fill the spot that bigger SAR aircraft cannot operate or are too expensive. Also perfect for Basarnas and BNPB or similar agency. Last but not least, surveillance and patrol aircraft. Suitable for Coast Guard, Border Patrol Agency, Custom, or the Navy. N219 has low operational cost that will be perfect as forward eyes and ears in securing border lines or EEZ zones. Will be more deadly if it can be added with lightweight missile or torpedo for armed patrol mission. I'll be naming this variant B because it stings. Dips, I said it first. In conclusion, N219 Nurtanio is a new generation, low-cost, low-maintenance airplane, perfect for island hopping or operated in remote areas. PTDI and the people behind this project really knows what Indonesia needs in terms of transport and accessibility. It's like they're tailor-made this aircraft with Indonesian geographic and demographic in mind. Moreover, countries with low access and infrastructure can be benefited greatly by this aircraft as well. I hope someday, when N219 Nurtanio is fully operational, it can benefit the communities that it serves and reach the unreachable. My highest salute and respect to men and women behind this project from initial design, manufacture, to flight testing. I hope it all goes well. And thank you for making it a reality once more. There you have it, folks. PTDI N219 Nurtanio, an aircraft that has a brighter future than me. It's been a while since our first indigenous plane took off in 1996. What do you think of this aircraft? And if you are an Indonesian in scale of 0 to 100, how proud are you? Let me know your answer in the comment section below. And since you are already here, feel free to check out my other video just like this, around the screen or directly to my channel. If you like this video, please leave a like. If you didn't, a dislike. Subscribe for more, and I see you in the next one.